Okay guys, so I think this, shoot. Oh, sorry guys, there was a bee I think about to get me. Okay, so I think it's about to couple up to that solo engine there. Yep, I think it is. Maybe it's gonna take, maybe 5238 is gonna take 5386 out. It's gonna pull it out, and then it's gonna couple up to that train, to the coal train down there. Then it's gonna head on out once Amtrak goes through. Okay guys, I'm going to stop the video and either start it back up either when Amtrak comes or when this train does something. Goodbye.